In this video, we will learn about mass and weight. So let us first discuss about mass and see its definition. In the previous sections, we have learned about the term inertia. The measure of inertia is what we call as mass. So once again, what is mass? The mass of an object is a measure of its inertia. And the SI unit of mass is kilogram, and mass of an object is generally measured by using a common beam balance. You can see in this picture there is a common beam balance. Now since mass is a measure of its inertia, the mass of an object is constant and does not change under different conditions. So it means that mass of a given object remains unchanged at all places on the Earth, on other planets and the Moon, and even in outer space. Let us now discuss about weight and see its definition. So what is weight? The weight of an object is the force of gravitational attraction of the Earth on the object. In other words, we can say that the weight of an object is the force with which it is attracted towards the Earth. We know that force is equal to mass multiplied by its acceleration. So if m be the mass of an object and g be the acceleration due to gravity at a given place, then weight of an object is equal to force on the object due to gravity, and force is equal to mass of the object multiplied by acceleration due to gravity. So by this, weight comes out to be W is equal to mg. M is the mass of the object and g is the acceleration due to gravity at a given place. Now, as the weight of an object is the force with which it is attracted towards the Earth, the unit of weight is same as that of force, and the unit of force is Newton. That is why SI unit of weight is also Newton. Now, weight is a vector quantity having both magnitude as well as direction. The direction of weight is same as that of acceleration due to gravity, that is g. Thus, weight is a force acting vertically downwards towards the center of the Earth. Now, as the value of acceleration due to gravity, that is g, varies from place to place, hence the weight of an object also changes from place to place, and we can also say that it changes by going to any other planet or the moon. Now, since the value of g, that is acceleration due to gravity, can be 0 too, hence the weight of an object can also be 0. In such a situation, the object will have a finite mass but 0 weight, or the object will be weightless. At the center of the Earth, the acceleration due to gravity is 0, and hence the weight of an object is also 0. Now let me explain why at the center of the Earth, the acceleration due to gravity is 0. Let us suppose this is the Earth, and an object is kept at the center of the Earth. Now, because that object is kept at the center of the Earth, the mass above the object will be equal to the mass below the object, or we can say that the mass in front of that object will be equal to the mass behind that object, and so on. Now, because of this, all the gravitational forces that are acting on this object will get cancelled out, and the acceleration due to gravity on this object, that is acting on this object, will be 0. Now moving on to the next point, weight of an object is commonly measured by the use of a spring balance. So this is a spring balance and it is used to measure the weight of an object. Now let us differentiate between mass and weight. So mass of an object is a measure of its inertia. So the first difference is the definition. Now for weight, the weight of an object is the force with which it is attracted towards the Earth. The SI unit of mass is kilogram, whereas the SI unit of weight is Newton, which is the SI unit of force also. Mass is scalar, having only magnitude and no sense of direction, whereas weight is a vector quantity, that is, it has both magnitude as well as direction. Moving on, mass of an object is constant and it does not change at all. Moreover, mass of an object can never be zero, whereas weight of an object changes from place to place and weight of an object can be 0 too. The last difference is mass is usually measured by a beam balance, whereas weight is measured by a spring balance. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.